hi there. I don't see you.
If you don't leave a like in the next 3.6 seconds, James Toad will kiss you and rape you in your sleep. So I wouldn't risk it. Like the video. And also, Toad bad and haters me in Fortnite. I'm joking. I don't even have one make everyone hates. But yeah, make sure to use code HarleyToad in Fortnite store. Otherwise, your mum will take away your Xbox or PS4 or whatever you can support now. So, that's the thing. Oh my god, where am I? Am I being menaced? Yo, family ham. Where's the killer at? The killer is a nightmare. I think it's Freddy. Webby. Charles? Eh? You get a M1911. Just nice. Oh god. No, I don't need to see his face. Yeah, I've just made a video, guys. So, I will be making 3 videos today. The one that I've just done, this one, and another one. But yeah, I will be doing 3 videos, definitely 3. So, yeah, I'll be making one after this one. So, in the first video, I didn't mean to, like, whatever. You understand at the end what I did mean to say a little bit, but yeah, like, when I was doing the talking, like, for the end of the video. I just made a mistake, that's all. So, yeah. I don't know where this killer is. It's Nightmare, or Freddy, but we should be in the dream. You know what? Understand that, though. From that fire, I'm pretty lit. Ghosts of the Deep? Say what? Hell no! Oh! I'm doing the splits. Alright! Go away. Go away. He gone. He's not gone. He ain't gone. Oh, I should have never went. Oh god. Damn it. Where the hell? Oh, that's really nice. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I could just leave. Like it's no big problem. Novels, swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, because they are so awesome. You know what? Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. Oh, I'm jumping. You know what? Oh! Let's do a different game, guys. Ew, Hugh. The Horror Street? What in the world is that? The Horror Street. This game by Creepypasta Central and Horrormania. Ooh. Nice try. It's got 1,000 likes and 493 dislikes. Oh. Of course it's loaded. You can run. But you can't. In this game you must run from the killer. Collect coins around the map to receive points. Please notice this game is in alpha state, so there will be bugs. Why would I want to mute the music? Always put the music symbol. Oh god. I'm sorry for that light. Well. Tell me. do you do with those points? Dude, top right? What? A top right? Do you see something in the top right? All I see is the points. Oh, it says there, buy infinite points. Just wait for it to focus. Buy... Oh, it's 2,000 Robux. Yo, what's up guys? It's your vlogger. I have a flashlight. Game isn't that bad. Oh my god, I keep getting double. Triple actually. Yeah, triple. I keep getting triple points, so now I'm gonna have 21. Uh-oh. Oh, that's an actual uh-oh. Oh yeah. No, I hate it. You know what, let's type in, no, you know what, stick on this. Classic Psycho. Oh, I love this game. It's actually a good horror game. Oh, I used to play this a lot. Oh, it's been a long time. Actually, it's been longer than 24 hours, probably like a couple of months. We're waiting every night to finally romantic invite newcomers to play with us. For many years we've been along. Since that day, the imposter took our lives away. Now they're charged into decay. Oh look, I'm level 10. Oh my god, so sorry. Oh, please forgive. He's got my feet. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I keep doing that. I'm actually terribly sorry. I don't mean to. I just keep dropping at my balls. Oh, you know what? Let's leave and then join back. An imposter took our life away. Now it's time to decay. What are you thinking? Since 1987. Five Nights at Freddy's. Is this where you wanna be? I just don't get it. Why do you wanna stay? Five Nights at Freddy's. Is this where you wanna be? I just don't get it. Why do you wanna stay? Five Nights at Freddy's. Ooh, Pennywise. Pennywise. Have you guys seen It Too yet? Leave a like on this. Nah. I wonder if any of you have seen It Too. Oh yeah, I would. For free? Ooh, What's so scary? No, I can't regret saying that. Oh god. That's just brutal. Okay. What? Oh, look at these graphics. Oh, there's a... Wow, this is so scary, guys. Oh no, I'm having a heart attack. Oh, for God's sake. You can't even drive. You know what, that was the best map. Alright, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the, you know what, I think I'll do the next video tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!